Massive snowstorm hit USA, Italy, Norway and Sweden. A major snowstorm has swept across Texas and surrounding regions, bringing heavy snow and icy conditions that have severely disrupted daily life. The southern Italian regions of Basilicata and Campania were hit by a severe snowstorm, bringing heavy snowfall, strong winds, and widespread disruptions. In Norway, faced unprecedented snowstorms that severely disrupted daily life across various regions, with the southern areas bearing the brunt of the impact. Snowfall reached an extraordinary 50 centimeters in certain locations, crippling transportation networks. In Sweden, the snowstorm that swept across Gotland over the weekend left significant damages and disruptions in its wake, particularly affecting the region's power infrastructure. The storm began early this morning, accompanied by freezing rain and heavy snow, forcing school closures and making travel hazardous in parts of northern Texas and Oklahoma.
It started about 7 this morning, so it's been snowing for about 4 hours.
Oh my God, snow!
Snowing.
The snowstorm led to major disruptions in transportation across Basilicata and Campania. Roads were blocked by snow and fallen trees, causing severe traffic delays. In Basilicata, the A3 motorway was temporarily closed due to unsafe driving conditions. Train services in Norway were largely paralyzed, experiencing widespread cancellations and delays, while numerous roads were rendered impassable under the weight of the snow. The country's infrastructure struggled to cope with the relentless onslaught. The heavy wet snow caused trees, branches and power lines to buckle under its weight, resulting in widespread outages. At the peak of the storm, over 5,000 households were left without electricity,